Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this USERCENT tire inflator with a large 2600 milliamps battery. But it comes also with a lot of accessories, has full automatic modes, has even a built-in light, so it's a really interesting tire inflator. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you everything what we get and then how to use it in real life on a bike or on the car, so you will know all the details. So here again the box, it has also some information here on the back. Maybe it helps you to get some more information. But let's open and see what we get. It comes with a detailed instruction manual. Then the accessories here, and there are really a lot. Comes of course with this inflator hose and a very long 12-volt cigarette lighter port power supply. And then so many nozzles here, definitely something for everything. Can even work for some sports devices like balls, inflatable mattresses, cars. I would say something for everything. And then we get even a replacement fuse. Comes also with a USB-C charging cable and a carry bag. And it's a very beautiful device. Definitely one of the most beautiful tire inflators I've ever seen. And of course, it's highly recommended to give it a full charge at the beginning. We see this charging indicator here. And as far as I can see, this USB-C port works only as an input and not as an output. So we cannot use this USB-C port as an output, like as a power bank to charge other devices. And the plug from the cigarette lighter adapter goes into this 12-volt port here. And with a long press we turn it on. We can see it comes with this dual display. That's something which can help really a lot. I've been already using a lot of such tire inflators with just one display. It's a huge disadvantage, so this is much better. Here you can see the current pressure and what you have set and even much more information. And here's also the button for the light. When I push it here, you can see it goes into this very strong steady mode. When I push again, it goes into this red and blue flashing mode. So in case you have an emergency, this can help a lot. When I push again, it goes into white flashing. I think it's even an SOS automatic flashing, which can also be helpful. And when we push again, it turns off. And with the button here on the right side, we can switch between the different presets. Here we have the personal preset, which we can just adjust how we want it for some specific devices. We click here again, and then it goes into the preset of some inflatable sports device. But of course, we can also adjust this here. Next thing will be bicycle. Also, this one can be adjusted, of course. And then we have the motorcycle here, of course, also adjustable. And when you are adjusting these values, just make sure that you also respect the right unit here. I think for the personal and for the sports devices it's on PSI, also for the bicycle, but when we switch to the motorcycle it switches to bar, and also for the car it is on bar and not on PSI. I've now been playing around a little bit to find out if it's possible to change the unit, and it's definitely possible. With a long press here on the light we can change the unit. So here we are on PSI, and you can see when I long press here it goes into bar or then even into kPa and kilogram per square centimeter. So we have a huge range what we can use, and I think we can even change that for every preset here. Also for the bicycle, we can also go to bar and kPa and these things. And to really inflate something we have to attach this hose here, of course. Make sure that it's nicely secured. The front is no clipping or fast connection, but this has the advantage that we can use it also in some very small spaces. Let's say for an electric scooter, where the available space is usually very tight, with these small tires can be a huge advantage. I would say the inflator hose has a decent length. If you need something longer, then you can attach easily something else, because it's a normal shredder valve. So we can attach even an extension here with a deflator built in, something like that, and then also using a different nozzle. That's everything possible here. Or we can totally replace this hose with another one, let's say this one here, because it's already here. It's a standard shredder valve, which is a huge advantage compared to some other models. And so we are ready now to inflate. We can set the target here, connect this to the tire or sports device, and then start the inflating process from here. When it has reached the target, then it will automatically stop. So you can hear it's super powerful. It's definitely not a very quiet device, but the noise is definitely not unbearable. And so I've been outside and did a couple of tire fill-ups. First I started with the electric scooter, and as expected it was super easy, super nice with this small nozzle here. And after that I tried with my bicycle, was also super easy, and after that I filled up the tire of my car, and that worked also very well, so absolutely no problem. What I've noticed is that this seems to be a really good quality valve, so when I was attaching it to a tire and removing, there was not a big loss of air. With some nozzles you are losing a lot of air, not here. Also, I noticed that it didn't get super hot here. I think there is some protection here. Of course, always make sure that you are not touching this area after inflating, but I think it has some decent protection here. What's also really nice, it has this rubber area here, which provides pretty safe stand, so you can leave it like that. I mean, of course, over time it can wobble around a little bit because it is a really strong inflation, but it was never tipping over. And when you just hold it like with your finger here, you don't really have to lift it up, just hold it like that and it will stay in the same position. And then the good thing, when you have it in upright position, even though the inflator hose is not super long, you can still reach the valve of an even large car tire when it's on top. That's usually the problem, when the valve sits on top and then you have such tire inflator with a short inflator hose and you cannot reach it. You have to carry it the whole time, because I mean it takes a couple of minutes to top off a car tire when it has lost a lot of air. But here in this case you can just leave it like that and then you can reach almost any point with this hose here. So really nice thing. So there's not much to complain, I would say. Complaint, of course, is that we cannot use the USB-C as an output. I've seen already a couple of tire inflators which have this option. Other than that, really nice, strong, beautiful. Comes also with this nice light here. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.